guys, it's your girl K-Dash. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you are new. Today I'm back with another video, and as you can tell by the title, I will be doing a luxury unboxing today. This particular unboxing is actually a re-unboxing because I've already opened it, and you guys know I love to open all my stuff in front of you guys. My first impressions, all that. But this one's a little different because this was a Christmas gift. If you guys watched my last video, it was a vlog of me and my family celebrating Christmas early, and we all opened our gifts. And of course, this was one of the gifts I opened. If you haven't checked that video out, go ahead and check that out really quick, and then come back to this video, then you understand what's going on. We're gonna give this bag the attention she deserves. If you're interested on my thoughts and opinions on this Gucci Marmont bag, please keep on watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. More content is coming very soon, and yeah, let's just get right into the video. Today we are unboxing the Gucci Marmont mini bucket bag. It's a lot of words, but it's worth saying. There is no Gucci store where my family and I currently live, so they obviously bought it online. So it comes in a box like this. When you open the box, it says Gucci. Look at that. And when you really open it, you see the Gucci bag. Now obviously it came with like wrapping paper and all that, but like I said earlier, this is a re-unboxing. Now that you see, we have the Gucci bag like you normally would get when you shop with Gucci. So we're gonna untie it. What? Also in the bag, you get this envelope. On the back it says Gucci, and inside is obviously gonna be like the receipt, and Gucci also sent this paper thanking you for the purchase, and it's also a return slip, so if you needed to make a return, you could just send this paper with it, and the receipt, and then a little note from my parents saying that they love me for my Christmas gift. It comes in this box and it has a little ribbon on it, but I don't want to mess up the ribbon, so I'm gonna slide it off. I don't even, honestly, to tell you the truth, I don't even know how I got it back on here so nicely, but I did it. Obviously I think the bow is usually on the top, but somehow I got it back on here and it looked good, and we just gonna keep it moving from there. So I'm gonna just slide this off. Yep, there you go, there you go. And just slide that down. Take the top off. And it reveals a really cute dust bag for the bag. And y'all, are y'all ready for this? Here she is, the Gucci Marmont mini bucket bag. Yes, ma'am. Now, when I originally opened it, it came with obviously paper on the chain, but as you can see, the chain is like an antique gold. Well, all the gold on the bag is like an antique gold. It's very long. I believe it's supposed to be a shoulder bag. I'm pretty sure if you're short enough though, you can wear it as a crossbody. And I'm a fan of the Gucci Marmont collection specifically because it's very simple. Like, I don't go for the other like the more flashy stuff. I like the simplicity of the bag itself, and all the other bags. Some of them I don't like. Like, you can see the leather, it has the chevron pattern on it with the antique, you know, monogram. But some of the other bags, I don't like the shape with the chevron, if that makes sense. So I really specifically like this bag because it was a bucket bag, and I like the idea of having a bucket bag. When I saw it on the website, I really liked how the tassels also had the gold on it, on the drawstrings. And of course, like a lot of the other Marmont items, it has a cute little heart on the back. It's really, really sweet. And yeah, very simple chain. You can take this chain off, but I don't see why you would. I think if you like feed it a certain way, you probably could turn this into like a chain, like a fanny pack. I am not gonna do it like that, but I'm sure you could if you really, really wanted to. So I'm gonna take the paper out now. So in the bag, you have this Gucci, like, little informative card, it looks like. On the inside, it comes with 2 card holders. One still has the paper in it, as you can see, and it also comes with this detachable key ring, also in the antique gold, you know, hardware. And then the full inside is just lined with like microfiber fabric with like a suede finish. So really, really nice. I don't have to worry about like scratching it. I guess all I would have to worry about is like pin marks, or you know, like just marks in general, makeup, anything like that getting on the bag. But for the most part, it should be pretty, it's pretty sturdy bag. I feel like the chevron leather is really, really cute, and it's not too tough. It is tough at the top though, which makes it hard to bring this in as a drawstring. But as you can tell, you can definitely close it and it would look like this. I saw a couple of reviews for this bag saying that they couldn't close it, and it's not fully closed, obviously, which is how it's advertised on the website, which I'll leave a picture on the screen. But it definitely is closing how it's supposed to, I guess. Some people wear it open, and I absolutely cannot think why you would do that. Like, that doesn't make any sense to me at all. Like, especially, I'm clumsy, and I'm also, I wouldn't say I'm reckless, but I move around a lot. I don't even know how I do it, but I be moving. But I wouldn't trust myself to wear the bag just like this, like open like that. And I don't trust people in general. Now that the pandemic is going on, people have been trying to stay 6 feet away from you in lines and stuff, but I don't trust people to just not dig in my bag. Someone could just rip it off you. I don't know, but I don't know how y'all be leaving it open like this. But you definitely can close it. You just have to put a little love into it, you know, and close it, and you got you a little drawstring bag. Love the heart on the bag, and I love that it's on the bag because it's just like a thing that I can see, and it's just like, okay, it's cute. Like, I think it brings the youthfulness into it. It's a touch of fun. Like, it just brings fun to the bag, and like, I think it brings fun to the whole collection in general. Like, I don't think every Marmont bag has the heart on it, but it's cute, the ones that do. Like, I don't know, it's just, maybe I'm corny, I don't know, but I like the heart. I like the drawstring. I like everything about this bag. I love that I can definitely see that it will fit a lot. For reference, we can put this in here, and it literally doesn't, you still have way more room in here. I don't know, I just love this bag. It's gonna be very much a staple piece in my outfits, just when I'm feeling cute, when I'm feeling classy, when I'm feeling like a BB. I'm gonna be bringing this bag out right here. So if you aren't already, go ahead and follow me on Instagram so you can see all the fits that I put with this bag, because I just love it. I had to get it in black because, you know, black goes with everything, and I don't believe they have it in silver hardware, but I low-key might have gotten it with the black with the silver hardware because I do wear silver a lot, as you can see. So, but I love the gold just as much. It will force me to wear gold now at this point, but I love the gold. I definitely see me probably getting the belt to match this bag because that would just set it off, or the card holder. But I'm not really sure about the card holder, considering it has 2 card slots in it. You know, that might be a little waste of money. But on the flip side, it only has 2 card holders, so it's like, you know, I have way more cards than 2. I don't know, but I just love this bag. Just admire it. Just look at it. admire it. If you're thinking about getting this bag, I say get it. The price tag is definitely more affordable than the other Marmont items. I believe it's on the more affordable side, if I'm not mistaken. There are smaller bags than this. There's the super mini, so if this is too big, you know, there's other options up there for you guys, and if this is too small, there's other options for you guys. So I love the Gucci Marmont collection in general. I love this bag. Thank you to my parents again for getting it for me. I really appreciate it, and I just love this bag. This bag sets the tone for 2021. I'm gonna just let y'all know right now. So I'm only 24. I don't really need like a tote or anything, like a big bag. I don't have any kids. I don't have like multiple things to do, and I'm really trying to stop myself from putting like my whole life in a bag. Even though you need, you know, quick things in your bag, I used to walk around with like the shopping bags and have like my whole life in there, y'all. Like, it's crazy. But these type of bags I'm really getting into. I'm loving crossbodies. I used to think I didn't like it. I used to think they were like cheap looking, I'm not gonna lie to you. But older I get, and the more I see the practicality in bags, more so of the just look of it. Because, like, you know, everyone loves a shorter bag, everyone loves the handheld bags, but it's just like a crossbody, girl, you can do a lot with it. So yeah, that is my Gucci Marmont bag. I love that I can just dip the chain in the bag and it just sits on its own, so pretty. Like, I love that. Oh my gosh, I love this bag. But I'm also gonna put the paper back in it. Not that it needs it, because it has its own structure. I'm just gonna put it in there because it makes me feel like it's still brand new. Alright guys, that is it for this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please leave it a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already, and like this video. Go ahead and comment something if you like this bag, if you see yourself getting this bag. If you haven't already, go ahead and check out my last luxury unboxing of the Coach Cassie 19. I will leave it in the description box for you guys. And if you haven't seen my Christmas vlog already, me and my family celebrated Christmas early, go ahead and check that out. That will also be in the description box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like always, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.